If you wake up and don't know who you are, don't know why you are here, and even discover that you are not on Earth at all, what should you do? You, being smart, begin to desperately search for your memories inside the spacecraft, and finally, you succeed. But when your memories return, you realize something even more absurd awaits. You are not some chosen astronaut, nor a hero destined to save the world. You are just a middle school teacher who was forced onto the table. And the reason you appear on this spacecraft is actually to carry out a mission to save humanity. A teacher forced to solve problems on the scale of the sun, thrown alone into the depths of the universe to find a way out for all mankind. If you haven't seen Project Hail Mary, you would think this is ridiculous. But he was actually unexpectedly chosen because of a previously rejected scientific theory he had published. And for that, we need you, my friend. As a longtime sci-fi fan who has watched Project Hail Mary many times, my most direct feeling after watching this film is that it truly brought the story to life. Not only the hardcore cosmic setting itself, but also the dazzling space. The spacecraft design and the visual effects are all presented, along with the weight behind the entire story and that sense of cosmic pressure and contrast. The background of this story is not the cliché of alien fleets invading. Instead, it throws you a more advanced and more desperate question. Why has the sun suddenly begun to weaken? Later, scientists discovered that a microorganism called astrophage is devouring the energy released by the sun. The sun will not go out immediately, but will be dragged down bit by bit. And once something goes wrong with the sun, what Earth loses is not just sunlight and temperature, it will be frozen solid. At this point, humanity can only do one thing: send a spacecraft into deep space to find answers in other star systems. And so, this middle school teacher, Grace, is forced onto this mission. When he learns he must take part, even he is stunned. Going to another star system to save humanity? Don't joke. He panics, is afraid, wants to run away, just like every ordinary person, because he knows better than anyone that he is not someone who can carry the hope of all humanity. And this is exactly what makes the film brilliant. Because what you see is not a superhero saving humanity, but an ordinary person with limited ability, real emotions, and even a bit of awkwardness, being pushed step by reality until he has no choice but to move forward. But what truly makes Project Hail Mary powerful is not just the idea of an ordinary person saving Earth. When Grace is about to reach the target star, he encounters an alien engineer named Rocky from another system. It turns out Earth is not the only civilization struggling. This is also the most brilliant part of the film. In the first half, you are watching how the mission will be completed. In the second half, you begin to watch how two completely different forms of life come to understand each other in the universe and save each other. When both civilizations are on the verge of collapse, can understanding itself become a way out? So what makes Project Hail Mary truly powerful?